Well, I had the garage got invaded with mice this season. It's been a bad season. They destroyed a lot of grass seed to the tune of at least a couple $100, what I can tell so far. So we had to do something. So what I ended up doing is testing 3 different types of mouse traps, and I'm going to tell you which one seemed to work the best. So far we have the electronic Victor trap. We have the good old tried and true snap trap, and then I tried something new with the bucket trap. But what I did was, it was kind of a do-it-yourself, and out of all 3, the bucket trap hasn't caught anything yet, surprisingly. So I don't know if there's something I'm doing wrong or whatever. Maybe somebody give me some pointers. I'll show you how I did that right up in here. But all in all, the electronic and the snap are kind of toe-to-toe in the race so far. It's been about a week, and I've caught about 10 mice, so probably 5 and 5 on either side. And like I said, the bucket is 0 for 0. So I'm hoping that's going to change. I've heard a lot of good things about people saying, hey, these bucket traps are the way to go. And so far, not so much in my case. So again, let me know if you got any suggestions, maybe with my design. I'm not doing something right. I don't know. I've seen, you can buy some actual professional made lids online, different sources, that they actually have like a door that flips. Mine is just a good old coat hanger, beer can, and regular old bucket from the box store there. So anyway, as of now, I'm glad that I stuck with the electronic and the snap traps. They seem to work well, and the best thing I could say is put it in the pathway of where you can see the mice are running, so they pick it up. So even with everything in the pathway, these 2 electronic, the electronic and the snap, have worked the best. So hope this helps. Have a good one.
Struck one fast. What did the electric